Hello, my name is Sanna-Mari and welcome to join me on my trip to Tahko. Tahko is located in Kuopio. It's like 61 kilometers north of Kuopio. It's really lovely ski resort area and there's lots of to do here. It takes about 50 minutes to drive here from Kuopio. From Helsinki it takes a little bit over 5.5 hours to drive. From Kuopio originally, so this was the closest downhill ski place. Lots of to do. There is also Tahko Spa. It's a really nice place where is a spa that you can go, and there is bowling. Super park for kids, maybe adults also, lots of to do, and many restaurants. Because Tahko is located in middle of Finland, there's lots of lakes surrounded here in this area. At summertime there is also golf course, 3 of them here, so it's perfect for summertime also. Yesterday we were on the slopes, they were really good. This is Easter and it's middle of April, I guess. Yes.
Me mennään autolla tonne parkkipaikalle, sit tommosella tompahisseutusta noin, sit voi tarkoittaa ylös ja laskee jonnekin tänne ja tonne ja sit me hypätään länsirinteelle, missä on temppuliikki ja vähän luivempi.
love this place, and this is not so far from Helsinki and capital area. You don't have to go to Lapland. You can see wonderful sceneries here. I hope you can have a nice tip from me to come here. It's really awesome place. I think every cottage has sauna and lots of fireplaces. We have this called pallogrilli. I don't know in English word, but you can grill here. And there's shops also where you can get the food and you can do it by yourself, or you can go to these marvelous restaurants. Let's look what's inside of the cottage. Oh yes, there is a washing machine in the cottage. You can wash your clothes, and there is also a drying place for them. So Tahko in Kuopio in Finland. Awesome place. Welcome here. That's about it. Please subscribe my channel and see you in next episode.